So, very good afternoon, dear students, faculty members, and dignitaries present here. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Amity University, Maharashtra, to this webinar on Industry Ready with B.Tech in Computer Science, specialized in cloud computing and cyber security. Today, we have with us our eminent speaker, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh Madam, who has completed her PhD in computer engineering from Pacific University, Udaipur. She is currently working as an associate professor in computer science and engineering department at Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Amity University, Maharashtra. She is having a combined teaching experience of over 13 years from reputed engineering colleges affiliated to Mumbai University. Her areas of interest include language processing, sentiment analysis, and cyber security. Many of her papers are published in high impact factor Scopus Index journals. Now I request Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh Madam to please take it further. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir. My screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, madam. Your screen is visible, but can you please turn on your video too?
Video is turned on actually, sir. I think some connectivity issue is there.
Okay, madam. No problem. Please continue.
Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to this webinar on Industry Ready with B.Tech in Computer Science, specialized in cloud computing and cyber security. So basically, we all have a question in mind: what is cloud computing and cyber security? Why it is specialized with the computer science specifically? So we'll move to all these basic points in our webinar. We are covering all these things. So basically, what we are doing. Cloud computing and in cyber security. So all of we are having all these terms and we are using day-to-day life all these some terms: cyber security. We know the Google clouds and all these things. So basically in COVID, we already moved from offline to online mode. We are having a lots of data with us. We are storing that data on the cloud because we require some more storage. So that cloud, when we are having a lots of data, very important data we have, and we are storing that in cloud. So how to secure that cloud, how to manipulate that cloud, that all these aspects will be covered in the cloud computing. Basically these are the very introductory part of the cloud computing. Now day to day life we are using all web based activities we are doing. Basically we are shopping grocery, we are shopping vegetables online. So we are just put the order, we are make a transactions, we are paying a money. So all these transactions are all web based, and in future it will increase more and more. So how to secure these all activities, whether these are the secure, whatever data we are providing to the websites, whether these data whatever we are providing, whether it will keep a private or whether it is a secured, or somebody may attack on that data, somebody stolen your data, what will happen, what will happen to your systems. So these are points, or you can say the topics actually covered in the cyber security. So how we'll do that, how we'll secure whatever the activities we are doing on a cyber, how we will cover the security for the cloud whenever we are storing too much data, very important data, how we'll do that. So these are the important aspect under your cloud computing and a cyber security. Now there is a huge job opportunities are there in this area. Basically this is a part of your computer science and engineering. These are the specialized areas, cloud computing and cyber security, and there is a vast areas or vast opportunities you can say, and in future it is a very growing area or it is a growing field. So what are the opportunities basically in job in cyber security? So you can become a ethical hacker, presentation penetration tester, incident responder, risk analyst, SOC analyst, and so on. So basically what is the role of this ethical hacker or risk analyst? So cybersecurity trainer or cryptographer is related to all about the security of the data, security of the activities, security of the transactions what we are making. Same way in a cloud computing also, what is the basically in cloud computing? It is a very high demand and job opportunities are there whenever you will go through the cloud computing, because nowadays we are requiring more and more data storages, and that is given by the clouds. And there is a vast opportunity of these cloud computing, jobs in cloud computing and cybersecurity hand in hand. So this is a very growing area in future because we are increasing uses of web. We are increasing the uses of all the cyber activities. So this is very important part of our day-to-day life. And hence the job opportunities are also more in this particular area. Now we are going through the Amity environment. What is our Amity environment? So now I will move towards the glimpses of Amity University, Mumbai. So basically, if you'll see the pictures, these are the our infrastructure of Amity University, Mumbai, and this is located near to Mumbai Pune Express Highway. So now ranking is a very important part of any educational institute or any educational university. So we have a second ranking in multidisciplinary emerging university of West Zone in 2023 by the week Hansa Research Survey. Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, we ranked 7th best for B.Tech in Western India 2023 by DataQuest. So what we are providing basically? So what courses are offered at the Amity School of Engineering and Technology? First is a computer science and engineering. Under this, you will have a B.Tech, B.Tech 3C, that is a 3 continental program. B.Tech CSE specialization, that is a specialization with AI/ML, data science, cloud computing, and cybersecurity and IoT. Then B.Tech international program is there, M.Tech and PhD in computer science and engineering. Another program we are offering is a civil engineering under this B.Tech, B.Tech 3C and PhD. Aerospace engineering offers B.Tech and PhDs. Mechanical engineering offers B.Tech, B.Tech 3C, M.Tech and PhD program. Also, we have an industry collaboration with Tata Technologies, and engineering programs are running here as a aeronautical engineering, B.Tech, and B.Tech in automobile engineering. These two are with the industry collaboration with Tata Technologies with Amity Institute of Technology. Now, why you will go through engineering at Amity only? So here we have a highly qualified faculties, either PhD or pursuing PhD. Also, we have a 35 PhD candidates ongoing. Our main focus is on research. So interdisciplinary research is a motive nowadays. We can research with some other discipline also. Interdisciplinary research is very important. Placements are very having a high package, highest package given as a 44 lakhs. It is a good package. Average package is 8 lakhs. So placement rate is very good. And we have a center of excellence in nanoscience and nanotechnology also. So according to the research oriented work is going on here. So this is a very good aspect of Amity University. So all of you, those students who want to take engineering admission in the engineering field, basically, all of you know that it is not a just theoretical learning or theory learning. There must be a project based learning, concept based learning. We are performing many workshops. We are having a seminars. We are taking a guest lectures from a industry and renowned persons to have an idea about what exactly the work done in the industry. Because it is not a just theory part in engineering. You have to learn the theory. You have to go for the practical aspects also. So that is very important part. So here mentor mentee, PTI, all these are the focused things will be there in a engineering section. Again, some you can say advantages than other universities when you are comparing with the other universities. Why MIT or why engineering at MIT? You have here 3C international programs. So what is a three continental or international programs? So three continent program, total of 6 months abroad, where 3 months in UK and 3 months in USA you can learn. Global study programs with B.Tech International, that is a 2 years in India and 2 years in UK or USA or Australia. So that collaboration is there with the MIT University and international universities. So you can go and learn there also. So this exposure is given through the university. Also, we are giving the internships with leading companies in the market, and it is provided in the 4th and 6th semester of the engineering. So these are the many universities which have already collaborated with the AUM, that is Amity University of Mumbai. These are the international universities. If you go through this list, this is very prominent and very reputed universities are collaborated. So what is the USP of Amity University? We are learning a core courses with electives and all. That is very important. But along with this, we have a minor track. That means you can take another subject from any other school, what you are interested in, which you are interested, that you can opt. Behavioral science and communication skills. This is also another added subject is there. So added course is there, and you will have a benefit of all these things: minor track, behavioral science, communication skills, along with your core courses with electives. Now, what earlier I told you, this is a research oriented, or we are focusing on major on research. So there are ongoing research projects are there. So in our department, specifically Dr. Satish Abhimanan sir, Dr. Deepa Parashar, Dr. Sushri Sangeeta Mishra, they are working on different projects. They have got the funds for that particular project. And consultancy also is ongoing with Dr. Srikant Charate. He is our director in Thana. Now we are moving towards the why computer science and engineering. Why you want to take a admission in computer science and engineering? All of you know nowadays it is a very blooming branch. Everyone want to take admission in computer science and engineering because everywhere we are using this. So this is very hot. Wherever this role of computer science in every field is there, and prominently it is shown. So now we are moving towards the computer. So at Amity University Mumbai, why computer science and engineering? So as told, we are offering B.Tech CSC plain, B.Tech CSC 3 continents, 3C, B.Tech CSC international program, and B.Tech CSC with specialization AI ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cloud computing, cyber security, that is triple CS, and IoT, Internet of Things. So these 4 specialization along with your CSC we are offering. Also we are offering MTech CSC, MTech CSC International, and PhD in Computer Science and Engineering. So what here in Amity we are always encouraging the students for the different achievements, different courses. So 2 students of our 5th semester, they got the international internship at Chungcheong National University in Taiwan. And many students got the national internship, like, for example, Masgaw Dock, L&T Infotech, CDAC, Pune, and Defense Electronics Research Laboratory. Many students got the national internship also. We have a Nirman 2023 at our Amity University. We are in there. One group of our Amity University asset CSE got the runner-up prize. Our one of the group went to Sun Hacks 2022, which is conducted in the Sandeep University, Nashik, and they also got a first rank. As you know, engineering is not a just theory knowledge. So we are providing the exposure to industry. So industrial visits are oftenly taken by the our faculties. Major events, we have already conducted one seminar on cyber crime prevention and detection by the advocate Pankaj Bafna sir. And it is very all the what are the pros and cons when you are using the smart devices. Basically all these things are discussed by the Pankaj sir. So this is the Nirman 2023 hackathon. We have it is sponsored by Indian Oil Limited at the Amity University. We have conducted. So 48 hours continuously students are coding, analyzing the problem, and they have coded that problem. And ultimately they will be judged by the different judges and got the ranks. These are the major events we have at the Amity in this year 2023. Sanghatan is not only the academics, we are also focusing on the sports, we are also focusing on the cultural activities. So there is a technical activities. Sanghatan is a sports activity. Technicia is related to technical aspects of your program. Different project presentation, poster presentation will be there in Technicia. And this is a bigger festival. Aminova is a cultural fest at the university level. So everyone should participate, everyone should enjoy also along with this study that we are taking care at the Amity University. Now everything is at the place. So placements are also very good placements we have. We have a very good companies like a Geo, Reliance Geo, L&T Infotech, Capgemini, BNP Paribas. All these are the reputed companies are coming and our students are placed in that companies. Many students are going for higher studies also. So placement rate is very good. So our major recruiters are Mastech, Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys. These are the Capgemini, Tata Class, Paytm. These are the our major recruiters in 22-23. And many students got the good packages in this company. Not only the placements or not only the regular academic work students are doing, we are encouraging for the startups of the students. So many students have their own startup. Upstock Academy by Aniket Sawant. Then Chirag Kaushik has the tea company. So these are the few startups we have at our asset. Different clubs are there to perform the different activities by the students. So like a Snap Squad, AMI Trains, AMI Uncut. These are the different clubs which are run by the students itself. And many activities under these clubs are going on. Center of innovations are also we have here because to research, basically our focus is on main is motive is a research. So we are focusing on the research based activities. So there is a mission of this club is to create spark of innovation via research in the students. So we are having these innovation centers, center of excellences, so which actually provides the research laboratories, research grounds, you can say the research environment basically we are providing for the students also. So there are different center of excellences. Visualization and virtual reality center is there, advanced manufacturing center is there, domain learning center is there. So these are the center of excellences we have at our Amity University. So these are the glimpses of all the Amity University, what is a MIT, why you CSE or computer science and engineering in MIT, and all the information regarding the basically asset, that is a MIT School of Engineering and Technology. So these are the website links provided. You can check out these links. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much to giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the informative session. Now we can take up some question answers.
Yes.
If the students want to clarify their doubts, you can please write your questions in chat box, and we'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Hello, Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Can you please take up this question? We have a question from Mr. Amarendra Kumar, and he is asking whether the ranking is based on NIRF.
No, whatever the ranking we have shown, it is not with the NRIF. It is according to some other data quest and uh, other institute.
Yeah, thank you very much for the information, madam. Um, so the next question is from Mr. Shubham Shirsagar. How much is the highest package? Ma'am, the question for you, ma'am. Can you please take this question?
Sir, highest package is 44 lakhs.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Regarding the fee structure, okay. Mr. Vishal,
Yes.
yes, I think we can directly communicate with Mr. Amarendra Kumar personally, because you know that different there are so many different courses in computer science. They have different fee structure. So we can, instead of communicating here, we can directly communicate one-on-one with Mr. Amarendra Kumar.
Yes,
Okay,
what
sir?
I'll do is
Yeah.
that I'll
Yeah.
share the
Yeah.
details
Yes, that will be
chat
great.
box so
If
that
you
you
can.
all can get in touch with us directly.
Correct. Okay, so I request all the students to please get in touch with Mr. Vishal Masse. He's sharing his email address and phone number, so you can directly contact him regarding the fee structure. And not only that, you can also ask some admission related queries to Mr. Vishal. Are there any other questions? Okay, so the next question is, when are the classes going to start for computer science? Jyoti ma'am, can you please take this question?
Sir, first year classes, you can only answer regarding first year.
Okay, so the first year classes are going to start from 28th of August. Okay, and so registrations, will start with the registrations first from 28th, and maybe in the first week of September, we will start with the actual process. Okay, once you get the admission in University of Mumbai, admin teams will they will send an official email giving a very clear picture about the starting date. Okay, so I think I have answered the question. There is one more question, I guess, from Mr. Deepak Shinde. So I was unable to attend. Okay, this is a very personal question. So I request Mr. Deepak Shinde, I request you to please get in touch with Mr. Vishal Masse and personally, so that your query can be answered. Any other doubts? Any other questions? Yes, Mr. Vishal sir's contact details are already shared in the meeting chat. So if you can just scroll up, you'll see that he has already shared his phone number. Vishal sir, I also request you to please share your email address so that students can get in touch with you.
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
Yes, yes, please. There is one more question from Mr. Shubham Shirsagar. Okay, so there are some cutoff dates, Mr. Shubham, and those dates will be communicated with you. You can get in touch with Mr. Vishal and he will communicate with the dates. Okay, so of course, you can take admission to Amity, but there are some dates after which the admission process stops. Okay. So that information can be given to you by Mr. Vishal. You can directly contact him. Okay, there is one more question from Mr. Deepak Shinde. I would like to inquire about the admission process and eligibility for B.Tech program at university for CSE. Vishal sir, can you please take this question?
Yes, sir. So basic criteria here for B.Tech CAC is that a person should have completed 12 with minimum 60% aggregate with PCM. And first of all, you need to complete your application form. Once that has been done, your form goes for evaluation process. And once the form is evaluated and you fit as per the eligibility criteria, then you will be receiving an offer letter from our end. So that's the basic process that we follow here in Amity.
Yeah, I think you have answered his question. Are there any other questions? Mr. Deepak, if you have any more doubts or questions, you can please note down Mr. Vishal's phone number as well as email address, and of course, you can communicate with him regarding the admission process. There is one more question from Mr. Amarendra Kumar. What is the location of the university? So we are located at, it is very close to Navi Mumbai, Panvel, and it is very near to Mumbai Pune Expressway. Okay, Mr. Amarendra Kumar. Any other doubts or questions? So I think there are no more questions. So I thank all of you, all the students, faculty members, and all the dignitaries for.
There is one question that has come.
There is one more?
Yes, from Shubham. So,
sir, overall fee structure of computer science. Okay, so we'll take this question. Please, Vishal sir, can you please answer this question? Yes.
See, basically here the fee structure, like we have first semester fees, that is 1,42,000. That is the first semester's fees. And hostel, if you see, we have a separate fees for the hostel. It is not included in that. The hostel charges would be 80,000 rupees for non-AC room, and AC room would be charging you 1,30,000.
So there is one more question from Mr. Amarendra Kumar. Is the placement sure? Jyoti ma'am, can you please take this question?
Sir, am I audible? I think some network issue with Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please, yes. You can join. Yes, please.
Mr. Amrin, I would like to clarify this question. We are providing the placement opportunities to our students from the different industries according to this criteria which the student scoring and according to the interest skill which the company is offering. Further, it depends upon the student whether they are able to grab the offer or not, sir. If we'll go through the placement statistics of our previous batches and the current, for the current final year also, which has started in July only, 2 or 3 companies have already arrived here, and today also the students are going through the different placement opportunities. Amit sir, I think the answer is clear to him.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so I think we have answered all the questions. There is one last question. What is the last date to apply for B.Tech CSE program? Vishal sir, can you please take this question?
As we are starting with the induction program on 20th of August. So before that, like maybe by 18th of August, the last date would be there. You need to enroll on or before 18th of August.
Okay, so I think we have answered all the questions. Is there any other question? Okay, I think we have answered all the questions. So on behalf of Amity University Mumbai, I take this opportunity to thank all the students, faculty members, and dignitaries who are present for this wonderful webinar. So thank you very much. Vishal sir, is it okay if we can close the session for today?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very
Good day.
much.
Bye.